Hey Caster, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Hey, I'm not going to be doing a build video this week because here in the US, this is the week of Thanksgiving, and I have a lot of preparations to do, not doing here in the workshop, but just kind of being time that I'm going to be spending with friends and family. And so those of you that are in the US, I want to say Happy Thanksgiving. And those that are everywhere else, you know, I still want to say Happy Thanksgiving. And during this holiday season, as we go in from Thanksgiving for here in the US and into Christmas and whatever season that you're going into this holiday season, I always think about the things that I'm thankful for. And some of those things that I'm really thankful for, of course, is my family, my friends, my church, and also the geocaching community. And those of you that are watching this channel and supporting this channel, I want to say thank you. It really does mean a lot to us. It's great when I get to go to an event and I get to meet you in person, and it's just a lot of fun, and I really do appreciate that, and I really do thank you for everything that you all do, and I want you to let you know you are awesome. And it is just really cool getting to actually hear your comments and get to hear your chats when we're in different chat rooms on different podcasts and different things, and seeing that aspect of it and getting to know you. I just think it's really fun, and I really am thankful for each and every one of you. And I just want you to know that during this season, it's some of the stuff that I really do focus on is what am I thankful for? And as the year goes by, a lot of times we don't realize it's those little things sometimes that we are really thankful for. And I just want you to think about what you're thankful for during this holiday season, and you know, maybe you need to reach out to somebody and say thank you, or you haven't heard from somebody in a while. Maybe you need to reach out to them and let them know that you're thinking about them, because a lot of us have had a hard year. Some of us have lost loved ones from different aspects of life going on, from COVID or just being ill and different things. But just reach out to those that are your loved ones and maybe some friends that you haven't heard from a while, and just see how they're doing. Next week I'll be back in the workshop, I hope, and we'll be building something. But once again, I want to say thank you for watching this channel, and happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a great week. Maybe spend some extra time with some friends and family this week and let them know that you appreciate them and that you're thankful for them. But hey, don't go anywhere. Well, actually, go someplace with one of your friends and families. But if you're stuck at home and it's rainy or something like that, go check out one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.